Hello friends, myself Divyanju Sharma and I am a second year student of MIT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh and in Pradesh, and I am working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company. And my today's topic is Indian courts and ethics. So, ethics and the legal professions are legally closely related. The practice of law is a noble profession, therefore, conforming one's conduct and one's behavior to a certain set of professional norms is an important aspect of the provision. The legal ethics can be simply defined as a code of conduct which may be written or unwritten. Such a code of conduct is meant to regulate the behavior of practicing legal professionals towards the court, the presiding judge, his client, and his adversaries in the courtroom. It can be agreed that ethics is a fundamental prerequisite in any profession and not just the legal profession. Thus, on a general note, ethics basically denotes human behavior and the standard of moralities. A lawyer or an advocate must obey certain professional codes with regard to the standard of fair dealing with the client and also include the standard of confidentiality required between them and uphold the self professions. The government of India established the Bar Council of India with the statutory body under Advocate Act 1961. The object of professional ethics, the primary object of the ethics is advocacy, is to maintain the dignity and integrity of majority, of majority, and legal ethics. You can say the legal ethics ensure that the legal fraternity serves the society honestly and present each case in most formal way to so that the litigants with the faith and not only their legal representatives or lawyer but also on the justice system. Not only the lawyers but also the judge need to have a sense of understanding of legal ethics in order to maintain the functionality of Indian courts. One of the fundamental aim of legal ethics is to seek a spirit of friendly cooperation amongst the bar, bench and the client. Standards of ethics exist between the lawyer and his client. Opponents and witness being questioned and of course between the judge and the lawyer. The legal profession has been created by the state to serve the litigatory need of the people. That it is not a business; it's a profession. Consequently, there are three fundamental bases of the legal ethics in legal profession. Let's see them. First is the organization of the member in order for the performance of their function. Second, to maintain certain standard at both the intellectual and ethical level to preserve the dignity of the profession. Third, pecuniary gains. Pecuniary gains must be subordinate to the client interest. And now we will see the conclusion of this topic. So, in conclusion, we cannot say much more thing about this, but we can just see that if the Advocate Act and these all, it is abundantly clear that the legal ethics and the legal professions are closely related. It is evident from the existence of the codified professional law, ethics, and the legal profession, and ethics hold an important position in the legal profession. The Bar Council ensures that the advocate confirm the rules laid down with regard to the legal ethics and the dress code. The nature of the legal ethics reveals that it is an absolute mandate. However, the language of the court makes it evident that advocates owe a duty towards the bar bench, the client, along with opposing counsels at the court. The whole point of having codified legal ethics is to mandate advocates to maintain the dignity of the court. Also, it prevents the exploitation of clients. The need for legal ethics was also briefly explained along the rules that need to be followed by advocates. Another important aspect captured was whether codified in the changing world of legal practice, a high standard of ethics and the professional conduct is the only tool that can ensure a stipulant justice system, and it would also restore the faith of in the client. So, friends, I think so that you liked my video, and I hope so that and. and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and if you have any problem related to the topic, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.